y'all, it's me. Happy holidays. I wanted to come on quickly to share this cute little train that I made with you. I showed it on my Instagram yesterday. I thought I'd make a video for those who don't follow me there. This is not my idea. It came from Happiness is Homemade 4 here on YouTube. I will link her channel below for you. The minute I saw her create this, I knew I had to put one together. Everything that is used is from Dollar Tree, with the exception of the peppermints, which I'll explain when I get there. But anyhow, it is just the cutest darn little train. It took about an hour to make. The longest time was the drying of the caulk, which I'll show you in just a moment. And then I'll show you a close-up of the train as well. But let me just explain the train to you. So if you look at the engine, that's actually a little wooden birdhouse that you get at Dollar Tree. And the front part of that engine is a paper towel roll that I just cut a piece off and glued it on. Basically then, after you do that, you'd get your caulk, and I happen to have this in my stash, although I do know Dollar Tree sells their version. You can use that as well for fake snow on anything, your cookies, your whatever. It's just really a good product to use for that. Cheaper than the one they sell in the craft stores. On top of the caulk, I used some glitter, which is this one right here. I just used a white glitter. And then to paint the train, which looks like gingerbread, I used this color by Americana. I think you could see that. Let's see if it's focusing. There you go. Honey brown. So that's the color I used. And then for the rest of the train, I used these little cart boxes from the Dollar Tree. And I don't know how lucky you'll be at finding them because they're pretty scarce. I don't know if everyone saw her video or what, but they're scarce at the moment. So anyhow, you might have some in your stash. So basically, all you're doing is you're going to paint everything, put all the caulk onto all the seams all over the place, wherever you want it. Make it look like frosting. Add some glitter while it's still wet. Let it dry. Add your peppermints, and ta-da, you're done. That easy. So the peppermints. Let me go back to the peppermints really quick before I show you a close-up. On hers, she used Hobby Lobby miniature tree ornaments that were peppermints. They were quite large. I couldn't find any when I looked several times, so I gave up. I went to Amazon and I ordered this bag right here, which came with two sizes. It came with the smaller peppermints and the larger, and these are more of a hard plastic, and they're a bead, so you can actually string them if you want to. But I used them for the wheels. Luckily, there was enough to do the entire train with the big wheels and still have a few extra. And then I had the little ones for the train engine stack. So let me go ahead and show you closer, and then I will let you be on your way. It is just adorable. You could put little presents in the thing for the, for gifts or just little treats. There's the engine. Oh, and on the front here, oops, sorry, let me show you. I didn't discuss the front. This part right here, that's just a branch. You could buy those fake branches, and I just made it in a circle like she said. I used the red berries from the Dollar Tree, and then I made a little bow. I also brushed it with white paint like she suggested to give it a frosted look. There you can see the engine. And then the cars, I just put in this one a reindeer and some flowers. In this one I have a tree and some goodies. And then in this one a snowman and some goodies. And it makes such a cute little display for your home. As I said, you could even have your kids help you. It's really easy to put it together. You could connect the trains if you want to. I didn't want to, so I just left them. But anyhow, I hope you enjoy it. Happy holidays to you and yours. And until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.